Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this water filter below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the BLACK+DECKER Countertop RO+UV Water Filter, and this thing genuinely makes clean water a lot more convenient without any real setup. This is a plug-and-play system, meaning there's no installation and no plumbing needed at all. You just set it on your counter and it's ready to go, which makes it a great fit not just for your kitchen, but also an office, an RV, or even camping trips. It gives you both hot and regular temperature water on demand, with 5 different temperature options and 3 different pour sizes, so you can quickly get exactly what you need, whether that's a quick cold glass or hot water for tea or coffee. For actual filtration, this uses a genuinely thorough 5-stage purification process, including a very fine reverse osmosis membrane that's built to significantly reduce things like microplastics, heavy metals, and so-called forever chemicals. There's also a built-in UV light, which purifies the water and helps keep the storage tank itself from developing contamination over time. The digital display is genuinely useful too. It shows real-time water purity readings, so you can actually see how clean your water is instead of just trusting it blindly, and it'll alert you when it's time to change the filter. Speaking of filters, they last up to 12 months before needing to be replaced, and the display keeps track of that for you, so you're not guessing when maintenance is due. This system is also independently certified, including NSF/ANSI 58 certification, which is one of the recognized standards for verifying that a water filtration system actually performs the way it claims to. This particular listing is in black, holds about 75 gallons of capacity, and comes with a 1-year warranty plus lifetime tech support once you register it. Overall, if you want genuinely clean, filtered water without dealing with plumbing or installation, and you like having hot water on demand too, this BLACK+DECKER RO+UV filter is a really practical, well-rounded pick. I'll leave the link to this water filter in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.